If you're still opening orders one by one just to pick products, you're probably wasting a lot of time during fulfillment. An automatically generated pick list makes the whole process cleaner and faster in WooCommerce. Let me show you how it works. I will use WowInvoice to generate a pick list in WooCommerce. It is a complete solution for pick lists and other order fulfillment documents, like invoices and packing slips in WooCommerce. First, let's go to the plugin dashboard and start configuring the pick list. This is a demo preview, but I can change it to the last order or any other specific order. For now, I will keep the demo preview. All the configuration and customization settings are on the right sidebar. Before setting up, I should check the store information. Here in WowInvoice, store identity, address, and other information like footer note can be set from here. This is a global setting, and all the informations are fetched from WooCommerce, so I don't need to change anything here. However, I had to put the company tax label, ID, and phone number manually here. Let's get back to the pick list configuration. Like all other documents in WowInvoice, I can change the layout size and font size from here. Then I have to check this box to send the automatically generated PDF pick list to the warehouse staff or order fulfillment department. After checking the box, I can set when this email will be sent based on the order statuses. I also have to insert the intended recipient in the box here. Otherwise, pick list mail won't be sent. I can change the email template if I click the option here. It will take me to the WooCommerce email template customization settings. Here, I can insert my preferred subject, email heading, and other content. That's all for pick list configuration. Now, let's move forward with the customization settings. Like other documents customization settings in WowInvoice, I can change the header and logo, date and number, and other settings. Let's go through them quickly. In the header and logo setting, I can edit the header text and logo size if I show the logo on the pick list. In the date and number setting, I can show or hide order date, number, total item number, and change their label. Also, I can display order-related data if I want through the right meta key. The most unique setting in pick list customization is customer information. I can show or hide them along with the customer's phone and email address. I can also change the labels and show the customer-related metadata. From the product table settings, product image, SKU, price, weight, and dimensions can all be displayed, along with customized column labels. Products can also be sorted differently to make warehouse picking faster and more organized. Here in the table, I can also mention any product-related metadata. In the other settings, I can add a barcode and an order note. After customizing everything according to my preference, I have to toggle the publish status and save the changes. Once enabled, WowInvoice will automatically generate and distribute pick lists for future WooCommerce orders. Check out the other videos in this playlist to learn how to configure invoices, packing slips, and other fulfillment documents.